Welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas here on my channel. Also day 5 of the 21 days of luxury unboxings here on my channel in lieu of Vlogmas. And I'm super excited for today's video. It's a collective haul from Louis Vuitton. Everything I bought in one day, one trip. So if you want to see what I picked up, just keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion. If you're not, as always, welcome back. Nice to see you. Before we get into today's video, please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on, because as you know, we are in the middle of Vlogmas and the 21 days of luxury unboxings. So you do not want to miss an upload, so make sure those post notifications are turned on. While you're at it, you might as well go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. I know I always say it, but it's much easier to communicate with me on Instagram. I'm super excited about today's video because I've never done a collective haul here on my channel, and I'm not even sure if you would consider this a collective haul. It's actually more of what I spent in Louis Vuitton in about 30 minutes, I would say. So I'm not really sure if it's a collective haul or what I bought. Either way, I'm super excited to share with you guys the things I picked up. So let's get right into the haul. I think I'm going to start off with the biggest item that I picked up. I literally would say it probably only took me less than 30 minutes to pick out all these items, purchase them, and leave the store. So it was a super quick shopping stop. I think we're going to start with the biggest item first, which is behind me in this big bag. If you are not a new subscriber to my channel and you've been here for quite a few unboxings, then you've probably realized that I don't unbox shoes, footwear. I just don't. I think for me, there's not really ever much to say about a shoe, a boot, a slide. I really don't know. I can't explain it. Obviously, I wear shoes, so I buy shoes. It's just something that I've never really thought about unboxing on my channel. I think one time I unboxed Balenciaga glow-in-the-dark slides just because I thought they were really cool. But I don't know, unboxing shoes is just weird to me. It's not really much you could talk about when it comes to a shoe, at least in my opinion. Obviously, you guys should know by now, handbags and small leather goods and things like that are more my speed when it comes to unboxings. But the biggest thing that I picked up during my collective haul. So the first item in this collective haul is in a super big box. Super big box, so I can't really show you guys the box. And being that this is a collective haul, not necessarily a dedicated unboxing video to each one of the items, I don't think I'm going to go too much into detail about the items. However, if that's something that you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. So the very first thing I picked up is the new Louis Vuitton boot. It has the LV symbol here that's very similar to my Lock Me Tender bag. But what I love most is to unstrap the boot. So you take the LV and you turn it to a V, and then there you go. So I thought that was super cool. And talk about detail. The thing for me is Louis boots are always very comfortable. I'm normally a sneakers and slide girl. I don't really have any in between. Well, besides Uggs. But because of where I live, it does get cold. So every fall, every winter, I try to at least get a pair or two of good boots. And one thing I know about Louis boots is they are super comfortable and usually very lightweight despite the hardware on them. The version I got last year or the year before has a little bit more hardware on them, and they are a little bit heavier, but super comfortable once they're kind of broken in. So they did come with dust bags. I'll show you guys the other one. So here you have them. And this top strap is completely detachable, so you can wear it as just a monogram boot. If you take this strap off, it slides off right there in the back. So you do have two different ways of wearing them. I think these are so perfect for fall and winter. So this was my footwear pickup. As I mentioned earlier in the video, to follow me on Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and throw up my Instagram right here. I made a reel with this item probably around the time I bought it. I have had these items for, wow, we're in December already. So I've had these items for a few weeks and I haven't worn them or anything like that. But I did make a reel with these. So if you're not following me on Instagram or watching my reels, I do a lot of unboxings on reels as well. So definitely make sure to check those out. So the next thing I picked up, yeah, I was not going to tell me I had the box. So the next thing I purchased that day, these are something that I wanted for a really long time. You would think as often as I am at Louis, this is something that I would already have, especially because I've wanted these probably since they launched. However, I had never seen them in store to try them on. So I really I just wasn't going to buy them online. I mean, this isn't an unboxing, but I always wanted them. So this is, I don't know if you guys can see, the sunglass case does say Louis Vuitton, and then it says it again on the inside. Spoiler alert, they are a pair of sunglasses. So the sunglasses I picked up are the, how can I do this the best? Are the Cyclone sunglasses in the all black. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but the little middle emblem is rhinestones. If you are unfamiliar with the Cyclone glasses, this is how they look. So these are actually men's glasses, and I feel like I can tell that they're men's glasses. I don't know if anyone else has this problem with them, but when you put them up in your hair, I do this a lot with all my sunglasses. Don't tell me in the comments that it's going to stretch out my sunglasses. I'm not worried about it. When you look down, they fall. And I think after dropping them off my head 3 or 4 times, because I usually don't wear sunglasses inside, I came to the realization that if you can see, the arms of them actually slant down rather than go straight across. Maybe if I do this, you'll get it better. Yeah. So you see they go down, whereas a normal sunglass would kind of go straight across. So I think that's why they fall. But other than that, I was so excited to finally get these. If you didn't know, I collect sunglasses. I feel like you can never have too many sunglasses. I love big sunglasses. The bigger the better. And my rule with sunglasses is if it covers my eyebrows and like down to here, they're for me. So I was super happy that I picked these up. They had them in store and I tried them on, and I mean, I knew before trying them on or ever seeing them in store, I knew they were just going to fit my face well and look good on me, just because I feel like I have a very sunglassy face. A lot of sunglasses look good on me. So when I saw them in store and tried them on, I was like, oh my god, I knew they'd be perfect. So I picked those up. For reference, I purchased all of these items at the Louis Vuitton in Riverside Square Mall or Riverside, I don't know what they call it anymore, but Riverside Square in Hackensack, New Jersey. And whenever I'm there, I shop with Devin. So if you do go there, shop with Devin. So the very last thing I picked up, yes, I know I spent that much money in that little time and only got 3 things, but hey. So the very last thing that I picked up is actually an item that I had hit my SA Devon about a while ago, probably like a month before purchasing it, and they had not yet had gotten any of the collection in store. And then when they did, they only had the wallet. Let me show you the item first so I could kind of get more into why I didn't want a wallet. Very last thing I picked up is the Vivian holiday Christmas bag charm. I have her at the Soho store. If you didn't know, Vivian is Louis Vuitton's mascot, I guess you could say. I believe that's what they call her. And every year for the holiday collection, she visits different places and they come out with a holiday collection that usually consists of a small pochette, a wallet or two, a bag charm or two, a keychain or two, the little zippered keychain. So they usually come out with like a pretty good range of products every year for their holiday collection. And then, like I said, it features Vivian in different places. Earlier this year, I unboxed a piece from last year's Xmas Vivian collection, and I have the wallet with Vivian. I believe it's Japan with the cherry blossoms. So I like to collect a piece from the holiday collection each year just because I'm clearly an LV collector and fan, but also I just think it's cute, and every year she travels to different places. When I saw that one of the cities in the collection was New York, more specifically the Soho store, which I've shopped at many times in my lifetime, I was like, that's so cute. You know, I absolutely wanted a Vivian at the Soho store piece from this year's collection. I really just wanted a keychain or a bag charm, just something so I could continue my tradition of having something every year from the Vivian holiday collection. My SA let me know that he only had the wallet and the pochette in store, so I was kind of just like, well, maybe I'll find it somewhere else, just pop into a different Louis store. So the day I was there getting the sunglasses and the boots, he was like, oh my god, it's so crazy that you came in today because you'll never guess what I got in today. I got in the Vivian Soho bag charm. It's like I was literally just about to text you. So it worked out so perfect because, like I said, I like collecting a piece from the collection every year. Just because I think it's something that I could pass down to Brixley, but it's also something fun every year to kind of just try to get your hands on one of the pieces, if that makes sense. So it really worked out perfect that I was in store. I went there specifically for the glasses, and then I saw the boots, and when he was like, you'll never guess what we just got in today. Hope you guys enjoyed day number 5 of Vlogmas and the 21 days of luxury unboxings here on my channel. This was my first ever collective haul, or everything I bought in a day haul. I'm not sure which one it was, but if you did enjoy today's video, please make sure you're leaving a thumbs up down below. If you would like to see more collective haul type videos on my channel, let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to make sure you're subscribed with those post notifications turned on, because tomorrow I'll be back with another luxury unboxing for Vlogmas, so you definitely don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.